better. I hope all these together. No matter what you do, this day belongs to you. Good wishes, happy birthday, the best from me to you. Memories last forever, may all your dreams come true. I wish you love and presents that money cannot buy. A happy smile on your face, a twinkle in your eyes. Wish you a happy, lovely day. Harmony, lucky times enough. Feel that you are sheltered, feel that you are loved. Stay strong, put up a fight for all the chances that you take to earn the biggest pieces of your birthday cake. Good wishes, happy birthday, the best from me to you. Memories last forever, may all your dreams come true. I wish you love and presents that money cannot buy. A happy smile on your face, a twinkle in your eyes. Wish you a happy, lovely day. You can follow every day and night. Makes your life worth living and feel satisfied. Take time to plan your future, smile and look ahead, and fulfill all the wishes that you've ever had.
Hi, Papa. Hi Papa, happy birthday. Sorry po di kami nakapunta dyan kasi medyo busy po kami dito, pero babawi na lang po kami soon. More birthdays to come po sa inyo and good health po ang wish ko. And ingat kayo lagi dyan, stay happy po, and kita po tayo soon.
Hi pa, happy birthday! Sorry, hindi po kami nakapunta. Bawi na lang po kami sa susunod. Enjoy your day. I hope na magustuhan niyo po ito. Surprise!
Hello everybody! Happy birthday, Kuya Edmond! Have fun! Enjoy your day! Love you!
Hello, Kuya Ter. I wish you the happiest and blessed birthday today. May you have more birthdays to come and celebrate. Salute to the General.
Hi, Kuya Ter! Happy 90th birthday! I wish you nothing but best of health today and always. Hugs and kisses. Carry on. I love you.
Hello, Kuya Ter. Happy 90th birthday. And may God continue to bless you more and more birthdays to come. I wish you good health always. I love you and I miss you. Enjoy your day.
Hi everyone! Kuya Ter, ang aming pinakabunso, wishing you a happy birthday. We are grateful to our Lord of all the blessings and graces bestowed upon you at inabot ninyo ang edad 90 years old. Wow! Yun na, I think yun na ang pinakamagandang birthday gift niyo from our Lord. And sana more hanggang centennial. Praying always for your good health and long life. And also to Edmond, wishing you happy birthday also, anak, and cheers to you. We love you both.
Happy birthday, Brad. More birthdays to come. Mabuhay. God bless you.
Hi, Kuya Tin. It's me, Vina. How are you? Ang pinakapanganay namin kapatid. But the youngest looking of all. And of course, despite your chronological age, you're still very young and highly intelligent and very loving brother to all of us, your siblings. I have the greatest opportunity to greet you on your milestone birthday. I've been blessed to wish you the best that life has to offer you, and wishing you also happiness, love, the greatest of health, and many, many more years to come. Happy 90th birthday to you, Kuya Ting. We all love you and very proud of you. Enjoy the celebration and God bless you. I love you dearly, Kuya. Bye for now. Love you.
Happy birthday, We love you! We love you! Happy birthday! I love Happy birthday, love! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Edmond! Happy birthday,
Happy birthday po, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy
birthday, Uncle!
We always continue to pray for your abundant health and lifetime happiness. We love you!
Happy birthday, Uncle Ter.
We love you.
Hello there, my dear Kuya Ter. Happy birthday. Here's wishing you a good health always. I love you. I miss you dearly. See you soon. God bless. And Edmond, happy birthday too. Love you. Okay.
Okay, Kuya, happy birthday. Si Edmond, happy birthday, Edmond.
Happy birthday, Uncle!
Hi, Kuya Ter. Happy birthday. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you. Well, anyway, I wish you the best. Stay healthy and be happy. See you when I see you. Bye. Enjoy.
We love you, Uncle! See you
See
soon!
you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ter. Happy birthday, Uncle. And happy birthday from Loki
And Luna!